All right, so today we're gonna do a quick demo just in terms of being more efficient and actually having some cost savings. So the benefit of buying from superior products is leveraging the concentrated products. Today we're gonna show you how to take this 1 gallon of Clearview glass cleaner, 5 gallons, and you can actually cut your costs by 80% compared to buying retail bottles from your local Walmart or anywhere else. Clearview is perfect for a 4-to-1. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix 1 gallon of Clearview with 4 gallons of water. Buy yourself one of these, empty. Comes with a little cap like this. It's perfect to, what you do is take this off and then you're gonna punch this little inner out. I'm gonna do that all the way around. All right, so like I said, you gotta punch this out because you're gonna wanna use a spigot. Spigots, they come in 2 different versions. There's a little bit higher flow, there's a lower flow. These are better for kind of soaps, the more thicker liquids. These are okay for the thinner liquids. You can use either. I prefer the bigger one, but today we're gonna show you the smaller one. Just screw it in. We already started with water in here, so we're doing 4-to-1, 4 gallons of water. Just because I'm familiar with these, I know that the 5 gallons is all the way up the lip. I'm just gonna fill a little bit more water in here to get to the lip, so I know there's 5 gallons in there. So there's no true method to the madness. A lot of people may put their product in first and fill up with water. I prefer to put the water in first before you put the chemical, because if you put the chemical in first, it's gonna foam up as you fill it with water. So put your cap on here, grab your bottle. So at this point, you're ready to use. You don't have to dilute anymore, so this saves you time as well. Turn your spigot on. You can use 16-ounce bottles, you can use 32-ounce bottles, you can use your pump sprayer bottles, whatever kind of liquid you've got and whatever kind of application method you like to use. When you first get it, you'll notice that it doesn't do anything, and that's because you got to punch a hole in here as well to get that air to go in while the liquid's coming out. There you go, and you got a bottle of Clearview glass cleaner ready to use.